Hi, Perry Power here, and welcome to the A to Z of selling your property for a premium price quickly. And today we're going to cover A. So let's jump in.
When I was 12, all I dreamed of was having my sold board outside of a house. And then when I was 26, I had one, which was a £1.2 million house.
If you choose your estate agent correctly, you'll sell quickly for the highest price.
This is Power Bespoke, expert negotiators.
Alright, so A. So it goes without saying that A should start with your agent, or rather two things on that, your agent and the agency. Now, there's many different options when it comes to choosing an estate agent. You've got your national online agents, you've got your traditional high street agents, you've got your hybrid estate agents. That's from a brand perspective. And then from a people perspective, you've got your employed estate agent or your self-employed estate agent. So self-employed estate agents are becoming a lot more, I won't say a lot more, but they're growing. There's more and more self-employed agents working within the UK, within or under an umbrella brand. Now, I guess the most important thing to say is the right or wrong choice of agent is going to either make or break your property move. And I say move because some agents will help you move from start to finish, and some will just sell your property and leave your property search to you with no real hands-on help. But I guess the main piece of advice that I want to share when it comes to choosing an estate agent is 1, trust trumps everything. So make sure once you meet your agents that you're interviewing, that you trust the person sitting in front of you. You earn trust, so consider everything leading up to them sitting in your living room, the way you were handled, where you responded to quickly, all that kind of stuff. And secondly, it's do not sign a 10, 12, 14, 24 week contract. So many agents ask you to sign in for a long period of time, and they are what I call a license to be lazy. You want an agent that's confident in the advice that they're giving you, that's confident in the service they're going to deliver you. They don't need to tie you in. The other thing I'd probably say with choosing an agent is make sure that you test them. Test before you sign. What I mean by that is go online, inquire about one or two of their properties under a disguise, maybe use a friend's name and email address, see how quickly they respond to you, see how their overall team are handling you. Because once you've chosen your agent, it's a big relationship. So I always say to my clients that think of your selection of agent as if you're employing somebody, because in essence that's what you're doing. You're employing them to help you move. That, I think, changes their mindset from choosing an agent to employing an agent. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.